Good morning, social cam. Oh, hold on for a second. Good morning, social cam. I'm here with the baby and my dog Chamo. Chamo has a little bit of a problem. He doesn't like kids, and he decided to jump on top of the bed today with the baby. And he doesn't like babies. See what I'm saying? Chamo, easy boy.
No.
Easy boy. Chamo. Chamo, where are you going, Chamo? Chamo. Se fue. He don't want to be up here with you. I don't know. What you do? Where is he? ¿A dónde? Chamo. What you doing down there, Chamo? He just doesn't like you. Llámalo. Call him. Dile, come here, Chamo. Dale, güey, que como le hace Chamo. Uf, uf. Dale. Uf, uf. Dale. Uf, uf. Dale. Uf, uf. Call him. Call him. Dale. Uf, uf. Woof. Dile, Chamo, come here, boy. Come on, call him. Tell him, Chamo.
Cookie.
That's not Cookie. That's Chamo.
Cookie.
Oh, you want cookies, huh?
Cookie.
Cookie.
That's funny.
Yeah, look at that. Goodbye. Goodbye, social cam.